Hello everyone, this is A-ZEE and I am back with another quick video. This is the first thing from which you can make a bike phone charger. This is a regular car phone charger. It is rated has 12 and 24 volt input, and it will give you 5 volt and 3 amp on its USBs. So this is the first thing which you can use to build a bike phone charger. So first I will open its casing. In this video I will tell you some modules from which you can make a bike phone charger. Oops, I am destroying everything. So with using this this car charger which I used in my bike, I am getting almost 1.5 amp charging speed, and almost it takes 1 hour to charge my phone from 0 to 80%. Now this module I recovered from built-in charger which I get from this mobile phone holder. It was installed in it. Its module number is HZCWB-2. I search this module online, but I find nothing about that. So I pull out the module from the car charger. So this is bigger than that module. Its number is XST-251G1508-21. I also searched this module on Google, but I also find nothing about this module as well. But this module is bigger than that module, and it looks good in my point of view. It will not give 3.1 amps, but I am expected it will give 1.5 ampere. Now this is another module. I buy it locally, but this module is normally available online. The build quality is very nice, and the module number is HW-298V0.4.2. So when I searched this module online, so the information is everywhere about this module. This is very famous module and is widely uses while making charger from 12 volt system. Now these are 3 modules, and you can compare the sizes of these 3 modules. The construction of all the modules are the same: 1 inductor, 2 capacitors, and 1 controller IC, and some SMD resistors and LEDs. The main difference is the size of the components. In the first from left, you can see the smaller module. The size of that inductor is 220 and the size of this module is 330. The inductor size of this module is 330. Thus from the sizes of their inductors we can evaluate the charging power they can provide for the mobile phones. So this module have 330 size inductor, and the bigger module which I get from the regular car charger, it has it did not mention the number, but its inductor size will be 440. You can compare the 330 and this module's inductor size. You can clearly find a difference between both. So I will recommend this module to use as your mobile charger in the bikes. This is available very cheaper than the online module. Now these are some visuals in which you can see the charging speed of that module. So you can see in those clips my cell phone battery is charging, and it is charging quite well. I am having no problems. At this time all the things are running, all the lights of the bike are running, but if we only charge the cell phone, it charges with a speed of 1.5 amps, 1500 milliamp. Now these are the clips of bike modification. I will soon make a detailed video on it. Actually the video is already made and it needs to be edited, which takes a lot of time. So, and a big headache. But I will soon upload how I modify the bike, how I mount a bike charger and cell phone holder. I also replace the battery of the bike. So that's it for now. Please subscribe my channel. I will see you soon.